Hello YouTube. After a good suggestion by a guy that used to do professional logging I know, suggested a full choke. If it doesn't pop off, turn the choke off and pull it with the throttle cracked wide open. Eventually it coughed, so in the test fire running it, chain stretched immediately. It happens sometimes, especially with cheaper lines of chains. Oiler seems to be working almost too good, I think. It's got a greasable tip, so that's good. I don't like hard-nosed ones or ones that you can't grease. So I'm gonna test run on a tree to see how it works, and then I'm gonna call it a weekend because it's like 66-70% humidity in there, and heat index temperature 79 degrees or so right now, and it's like feels like it's like 83 and the heat index, I think. So I'm only going to do this one tree, and I'll give you an impressions of what I think of how well it works for me. yeah, initial impressions, it works really good. And the thing's smoking like crazy. Must be the paint and stuff on it from being a new saw. Let's go take a look at the chips it left. It seemed to cut pretty aggressively, so the chain could be the Chinese version of a full chisel, but look at the size of these chips. I mean, it was really aggressive. You just there is no brand on that chain, generic Chinese saw chain. It worked really good. A lot more power than in Timber Pro. I mean, a lot more. It's got to be, oh, but it's about double. So yeah, and the lightweight of it, not as good as a Husky 450, but it's a third of the price. Less than a third with the free shipping that was in there. And I have to give a shout out to my good friend, Love to Boat 92. He's the reason why I got a Chinese chainsaw in the first place, and he's had really good luck with his. Now that I got this one running, it should work out really good.